from planning, from initiation to the closure, we do all these things. We do all these things. What is to be done? Scope management. When it is to be done? Scheduling. In how much we have to do? Costing. Who will do? Resources. And then there are stakeholders around who have expectation and they may be contributing in the project. We manage the stakeholders with your strong communication skills. And then I said, manage uncertainty. More the uncertainty, more the project management effort. So if you can tell, a project manager is basically an uncertainty manager. Uncertainty manager, right? And then we have to manage the vendor, procurement, and also the quality. And not just do this, do in an integrated manner. In an integrated manner. In an absolute synchronized manner. Only then the results of the project can be achieved. If you do this, but they are asynchronous, they don't have any handshake, they're going in isolations, you will not get the results of this. So what project manager's primary work will become is the integration. Other things can be delegated. Integration cannot be delegated, or whomsoever is doing the integration is actually the real project manager. So you must ensure that all the hands are synchronized properly. So no surprises. Handshake happen very strongly and very firmly. So these are put into green because this is what the primarily the project MS project integrates. So in project, you can define scope, you can define schedule. Schedule is the primary aim of the project, of the MS project, but that cannot be done without a scope. And if you add resources, and provide its resource rates, it will also integrate the cost. So in MS project is a very fantastic tool to balance this triangle. Scope, cost, and time. So you have a scope there, you have a cost there, you have time there. And what you do through the entire project is to keep this triangle in balance. If the triangle is in balance, then you deliver a quality product. If triangle is not balanced, the quality get compromised. So for a strong, good quality product, it's important that we should manage or maintain the shape and size of this triangle. So if there is a change in the scope, you must adjust cost and time. If there is a change on cost side, you must adjust scope and time. If there is a challenge on the time side, you must adjust cost and scope. If you are not able to do it, then quality will get compromised. Right? And this is what and MS project is a fantastic tool to give you a platform where you can balance this triangle. So in our workshop, what we will do, we will go through this. So first we will set up a project. We'll create a new project and understand what is important in creating a new project. Right? Then we'll go to planning, which is start from WBS creation, entering estimates, setting up dependencies, adding constraints if required, identify resources, build a team, and assign those resources to the task. This will the planning. And then during execution, you must baseline the project after the planning and then update actual progress. With the actual progress, you will see you can track the project against the plan and analyze and adjust the schedule, and then also report. So report has what is the current status and what do you do in future. Right? And at the end, you have collected a lot of data in MS project. So you can evaluate your project performance, what went well and what did not go well.